This is the Complete Natural Products Pet Urinary Tract Test Strips. They're made in the USA. It comes with 50 strips and is clinically tested. This is the same type of test that your vet would give your pet in office. And what you do is collect a sample of the urine, or you can use them right in the stream of the urine. And you're just going to take one of these test strips out and place it in urine, and you're going to get results in between 60 and 120 seconds. It has three indicators for a urinary tract infection: the leukotes, the nitrates, and the pH. And then you're just going to compare those strips to on the bottle is a chart, which will show you whether or not your pet has a urinary tract infection. And these are really great because these are going to save you some money. If your pet doesn't have a urinary tract infection, then you'll know that you don't have to, probably rush right out to the vet. And if the test results do come back positive, you may be able to take this test with you, since it is the same type of test that that the vet uses, and you won't get charged for an additional test for your pet. So go ahead and pick one up and let me know what you think.